तो मीन आर्टीरियल प्रेशर हाउ मच, कितना है जल्दी बताओ।
6.5 mm.
मीन आर्टीरियल प्रेशर
Mean
93.3. Okay. So 93.3 mean systemic pressure 6.5. Systolic blood pressure 120. Diastolic blood pressure 80. Pulse pressure बोलो जल्दी 40. Difference between systolic and diastolic. Okay. So we discuss. अच्छा, what is mean arterial pressure? Mean arterial pressure calculation is जल्दी बचाओ. Diastolic blood pressure plus 1/3 of pulse pressure 80 plus 1/3 of 40. 80 plus 33.3, that is 13.3, right? And 93.3, that is mean arterial pressure we discussed. So mean arterial pressure, it depends on, okay, mean arterial pressure is, it depends on cardiac output and total peripheral resistance. So this is the formula which we are seeing today. Mean arterial pressure is, it depends on, that is 93.3. It depends on cardiac output and total peripheral product of cardiac output and total peripheral resistance. If cardiac output increases, mean arterial pressure will increase, right? If total peripheral resistance increases, again mean arterial pressure will increase. So what is cardiac output? Suppose, imagine this is, right, what is this? Left atrium and left ventricle, right? So if cardiac output, that is normal is 70 ml, if cardiac output increases, right, if cardiac output increases, this pressure will increase. 93.3 will slightly increase. And if total peripheral resistance is increases, what will happen? What is total peripheral resistance? What is total peripheral resistance? See, if the cardiac, suppose if cardiac output doubles, mean arterial pressure, what should happen? Mean arterial pressure should also increase, double, but it does not happen. Why? Cardiac output, suppose if cardiac output instead of 170 ml, if it is 140 ml, what should happen? Mean arterial pressure should increase, but उतना increase नहीं होता है, because if cardiac output is increased, what does it mean? Cardiac output is increased means the heart is working as a more, that is heart is working effectively, and that's why it is pushing more blood. Because pressure is very too much, total peripheral resistance will reduce. Because pressure is increased, because cardiac output is increased. If cardiac output is increased, automatically total peripheral resistance will decrease. And mean arterial pressure will increase, but it will not increase double. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Second, if the total peripheral resistance is, what is total peripheral? If the resistance is, suppose if the artery has become small, right? Blue color is the size of the artery. Resistance is increased. If total peripheral resistance is increased, cardiac output will decrease. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Resistance अगर ज्यादा हो गया तो cardiac output कम हो जाएगा. तो one is increase, other will decrease. It will increase, but it will not increase too much, because cardiac, what I want to say is, cardiac output and total peripheral resistance is not the independent factor, they are interdependent factor. समझ में आएगा? If cardiac output is increased, resistance will reduce, because the heart is pumping very forcefully. तो रेसिस्टेंस अपने आप कम हो जाएगा इसमें, सो कार्डियक आउटपुट इंक्रीज हो गया तो रेसिस्टेंस कम हो जाएगा, रेसिस्टेंस इंक्रीज हो गया तो कार्डियक आउटपुट कम हो जाएगा, कार्डियक आउटपुट विल रिड्यूस बिकॉज रेसिस्टेंस इज मोर. सो बेसिकली this happens only in physiological condition, that is normal conditions. In pathological conditions this is not applicable. Are you clear what I am saying? So only thing you should remember from this is mean arterial pressure is equal to cardiac output into total peripheral resistance. Cardiac output and total peripheral resistance are not independent factor, they are interdependent factors in physiological condition, not in pathological condition.